Let's coming on to the genetic material. In genetic material, GM means genetic material of bacteria. GM মানে genetic material দেই. Genetic material কেনেকুৱা আছিলে আমাৰ? Circular naked DNA या फिर naked circular DNA. Next, ribosomes. Ribosomes are what kind of? It is 70S, but in eukaryotic cell it is 80S. ठीक है? Now coming to the mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition. The most important criteria of who? R.H. Whittaker. Mode of nutrition. In bacteria, the mode of nutrition are first, I assume autotrophs. Autotrophs. Second, heterotrophs. Third is decomposers. Now autotrophs mane those organisms which make their own food. June nijor khana nije bana, like the plants. Gose ki kore? They use sunlight as the source of energy and they make their own food. This autotrophic bacteria is again divided into two categories. Tomar ki hoise? Autotrophs, and the second is chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs example hoise cyanobacteria aru chemoautotrophs example hoise green sulfur bacteria. Autotrophic bacteria means those bacteria which can make their own food. ठीक है? Then again autotrophic bacteria is of two types, photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Now photoautotrophs, what they do, photoautotrophs, they use sunlight as the source of energy. Photoautotrophs se ki kore? They use sunlight as the source of energy. Then again chemoautotrophs, they use chemical energy as their source of energy for production of food. Photoautotrophs use sunlight as the energy. Chemoautotrophs, they use chemical energy which is released at the time of oxidation or reduction which is released at the time of chemical reaction. So example of photoautotrophs is cyanobacteria and chemoautotrophs is green sulfur bacteria. Then again heterotrophs means those bacteria which are dependent on others like us. Heterotrophs, most bacteria ki hoy? Heterotrophic. আৰু হেটেৰোট্ৰপছত আমাৰ কি আহে তোমাৰ saprophytic plus parasitic means those dependent on others, যোন কি হয় তোমাৰ বেলেগৰ ওপৰত dependent হয়. Then decompose means those bacteria which helps in decomposition মানে they helps in decompose, june ki koy tumar gela posa ya fir junbur bostu ase dead and decaying matters ase heburo ki koy decompose kore. Thik ase? So this bacteria, a very important point on this bacteria is they helps in mineral recycling. Thik ase? Example, nitrogen cycle. Decomposers, a very good very important question tomar agote khudise. Decomposers, they helps in mineral recycling. Example tomar N2 cycle. N2 cycle tomar ki ase bahut khini bacteria ase, they helps in recycling of nitrogen. N2 cycle help kore. They have decomposers, very important point, they helps in mineral recycling. Heterotrophs, most bacteria ki ase tomar saprophytic plus parasitic, autotrophs, photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. So this is the mode of nutrition in bacteria. So next coming on to the types of bacteria. So again in NCERT the bacteria types are divided into, monerans are divided into two categories, that is monerans are divided into two categories, Archaebacteria and eubacteria. Archaebacteria and eubacteria. Now this archaebacteria, they are, archae means archaic. Archaic means old, mane primitive. Primitive bacteria. And eubacteria, eu mane true. Eu mane true bacteria. Now archaebacteria, why they are called as primitive bacteria, and eubacteria, why they are called as true bacteria? Because they have different composition. For cell wall in eubacteria, cell wall is made of what? Peptidoglycan cell wall. But archaebacteria, their cell wall is made of pseudo mane galat. Pseudo mane bhul. Pseudo peptidoglycan. Cell wall is made of pseudopeptidoglycan. Then archaebacteria, they can live in extreme habitat. ইহঁতে ক'ত থাকিব পাৰে তোমাৰ পুৰা extreme habitat. Extreme habitat. Examples. Example. Methanogens. The next, halophils. Third, thermoacidophils. ঠিক আছে? So these are the example of archaebacteria. Very important from exam point of view. All the points exam question khudise, you have to memorize all the points in archaebacteria and eubacteria. First of all, archaebacteria, they are primitive bacteria. Archae mane archaic. It is derived from the word archaic. Archaic means old, therefore primitive. So these bacteria are primitive bacteria. Next, their cell wall is made of pseudopeptidoglycans. I think that is the reason, that's why they can live in extreme conditions. Now, what are the examples of archaebacteria? Example of archaebacteria hoise methanogens, halophils and thermoacidophils. Now this methanogens bacteria bur kot thake? They lives in marshy area. Marshy area means dal ঘাঁহ খেতি পথাৰ হল ঘাঁহত যেতিয়া পানী জমা হৈ যায়, that is known as যত বুকা হয়, that area is called as marshy area. Marshy area কি হয় আমাৰ? গৰুৱে ঘাঁহ খায়. গৰুৱে ঘাঁহ খালে কি হ'ব? This methanogens is present in the, this methanogen bacteria is present in the marshy area. যেতিয়া গৰুটোৱে ঘাঁহ খাব, গৰুটোৰ পেটত কি হ'ব? মিথানোজেন বেক্টেৰিয়াটো গুচি যাব. Now in the gut of the ruminant, যোনবিলাক ruminant organisms আছে, like cow আৰু বহুত বিলাক আছে যেনেকৈ goat, cow, সিহঁতে কি কৰিব? তোমাৰ কি ব্যাকটেৰিয়াটো পেটৰ ভিতৰত গুচি গল. ব্যাকটেৰিয়াটো পেটৰ ভিতৰত গুচি যোৱাৰ পিছত কি হ'ব? ব্যাকটেৰিয়াটো তোমাৰ কি কাউ ডাঙত ওলাই আহিব. Now this bacteria is present in the cow dung, and this methanogens, ইহঁতৰ খাসিয়ত কি হৈছে? This methanogens, they produces methane. CH4 is methane. Methane is highly inflammable. কি হ'ব? জুই জ্বলি যাব. Highly inflammable. Methane is highly inflammable. একদম অলপ ignition পালে কি হৈ যাব? They will burn. Methane is highly inflammable. Methanogens produces what? CH4. CH4 is methane. বুজি পাইছা? So that's why gobar is used as, কি কয়? Gobar gas হিচাপে use কৰে as what? What source of energy? Please tell me, gobar is used as what source of energy? So these are two homeworks. There are two homeworks. So methanogens, these are present in the marshy area. Marshy area goru jabo, cow jabo, ki koribo? Gha khabo, petot methanogens gol, methanogens to process koribo, and in the cow dung methanogen to ulai ahibo, and methanogens produces methane gas, and methane is highly inflammable. That's why ami ki koru? Gobar can be used as gobar gas. Ar tumalokor karone eta homework dilu ki, tell me what kind of energy is gobar gas. Now these halophils, they are, halo mane salt, mane salt loving. So these halophils bacteria, they are present in extreme condition, like jot tumar salt concentration bahut beshi hobo. They are present in condition where the concentration of salt is very very high. Halophils, salt loving. Then thermoacidophils. Thermoacidophils, these are present in hot springs. Hot springs. Hot springs. Are so hot springs মানে পৃথিৱীত আমাৰ এনেকুৱা কিছুমান এৰিয়া আছে য'ত কি হয় তোমাৰ পৃথিৱী ভূগৰ্ভৰ পৰা আমাৰ কি ওলাই গৰম পানী ওলাই ঠিকে আছে আৰ্থ যোনটো কোৰ আছে কোৰৰ পৰা কি হয় ক্ৰাষ্ট আছে তাৰ পৰা কি হয় গৰম পানী ওলাই so these are known as natural hot springs and these bacteria they can withstand that high temperature and they are present in those natural hot springs এতিয়া এনেকুৱা নহয় যে তুমি গেছত গৰম পানী কেটলি এটা বঢ়াই দিলা আৰু তাতে তুমি কি বিচাৰিবা thermoacidophils no you won't find thermoacidophils they are only present in the natural hot springs now eubacteria coming to the eubacteria আমি কি কি পঢ়িম example cyanobacteria আৰু বহুতখিনি ব্যাকটেৰিয়া আছে আমি কি কম eubacteria যেতিয়া পঢ়িম eubacteria discuss কৰিম so this is about archaebacteria and eubacteria we are going to discuss soon next coming on to the classification of bacteria on the basis of shape on the basis of shape so তোমালোকে প্ৰথমে কি কৰা shape গেটা draw কৰি লোৱা ঠিক আছে Draw with me and use different color pen যদি তোমালোকৰ লগত বেলেগ বেলেগ ৰঙৰ পেন আছে please use নহলে notes नहीं क्या बनेगा जंगल आज notes अच्छे से बनाओ ताकि बाद में क्या कर सकोगे रिवीजन अच्छे से हो पाएगा So these are the four classification of bacteria on the basis of their shape. Now we are going to name each of them. আমি কি কৰিম এতিয়া ইহঁতৰ নেমিং কৰিম this circular bacteria spherical shaped bacteria they are called as what they are called as cocci now this rod shaped bacteria rod shaped bacteria they are called as bacilli या फिर bacillus then this spiral घुरोनिया spiral bacteria they are spiral then this comma shaped bacteria vibrio very important from exam point of view exam ot 3-4 bar hudise etia loike on the basis of shape match the following kuntu kak koy spherical to ki koy coccus rod shaped to bacillus spiral to ki koy spirillum then comma shaped to ki koy vibrio now let's coming on to the example ihotor examples ki ase coccus cocci example this is the column for examples Diplococcus then bacillus example can anyone tell me yes very common bacteria lactobacillus ki kore they helps in making curd spirilla olop uncommon hoy let's take Spirochetes next vibrio very common organism causing a waterborne disease called as vibrio cholerae ki cause kore vibrio cholerae cholera which is a waterborne disease so these are the classification of bacteria spherical mane cocci rod shaped mane bacilli spiral mane spirillum and comma shaped to ki koy ami vibrio aru example gita moi disu very very important from exam point of view now next we are going to discuss what we are going to discuss about the eubacteria so I guess I am clear a quick revision of what we have studied. Yes, kingdom Monera. So kingdom Monera, sole members bacteria. Bacteria are the most abundant microorganism. Then bacteria are cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan mane they are found everywhere. Gute sobote ase. Next, very simple structure. Both simple structure but very complex behavior. And the last and the most important point is they shows extensive metabolic diversity. Next, coming on to the structure. Covering keta asile tinta, glycocalyx, cell wall, cell membrane. Glycocalyx keta type asile amar duta. Ki asile capsule aru slime layer. Cell wall is made of hard, glycocalyx of it hard kuntu asile. Slime layer ne capsule. Capsule is hard, slime layer. Slime is slimy, which helps in the attachment with the host. Capsular function ki asile tumar, it provides protection against extreme conditions. Now, next coming on to the cell wall. Cell wall is made of peptidoglycan, and peptidoglycan is a polymer of NAM, NAM and NAG, and NAM, NAM and NAG, NAG, N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. Next, cell membrane is made of phospholipid, and those invaginations in growth into the cytoplasm of cell membrane is known as mesosomes. What does mesosomes? Mesosomes is similar to which cell organelle in eukaryotic cell? Yes, it is mitochondria. What does mesosome does? Mesosome has got all the enzymes necessary for what? ETS, electron transport system. ঠিক আছে, ইলেক্ট্ৰন ট্ৰান্সপোৰ্ট সিস্টেম কৰিবৰ কাৰণে নেসেসাৰী এনজাইমছ খিনি কোট আছে তোমাৰ মিজোজোমছত আছে। মিজোজোমছ কেটা টাইপৰ আছে? দুটা টাইপৰ, পেৰিফেৰাল আৰু চেন্ট্ৰেল। চেন্ট্ৰেল মিজোজোমছে কি কৰে? হেল্পছ ইন ডিএনএ ৰেপ্লিকেশন। পেৰিফেৰাল মিজোজোম দে কন্টেইনস অল দা নেসেসাৰী এনজাইমছ ফৰ what? They contains all the necessary enzymes for electron transport system. Then flagella helps in movement, fimbria helps in attachment. ठीक है? Then one homework was there, glycogen granules and volutin granules. Function to তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা? Comment sectionত mention কৰিবা। Next, cell envelope আমি পঢ়িলো, mesosomes আমি পঢ়িলো, genetic material, prokaryotic cell, that's why naked. কি type of DNA? Circular DNA. Ribosomes কেনেকুৱা হয়? 70S. Next, coming on to the mode of nutrition. Keta mode of nutrition asile tumar tinta, autotrophs, heterotrophs and decomposers. Autotrophs tumar keta type asile? Duta type asile. Ki photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs se ki kore tumar? They use light as the source of energy. An example is cyanobacteria. Chemoautotrophs se ki kore tumar? They use chemical energy as their source of energy. An example ki hoise green sulfur bacteria. Heterotrophs, most of the bacteria. Then example is ki ahibo tumar? Saprophytic or parasitic. Decomposers jone ki koribo tumar? Dead and decaying matter bilako ki koribo? Decompose koribo. And one most important point about decomposers is they helps in mineral recycling. Example in N2 cycle. Jetia N2 cycle পঢ়িবা তোমালোকে গম পাবা। Then the next, according to NCERT কি কৈছে? Monera দুটা পাৰ্টত ডিভাইড কৰিছে, Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria means primitive bacteria and they can live in extreme habitat. Example কি asle? Methanogens, halophils and thermoacidophils. Methanogens ক'ত থাকে? Marshy area. আৰু ক'ত থাকে? Gobar, cow dung, gas. That's why gobar gas. So মই কি কৈছিলো? Gobar gas is a type of what kind of energy? Halophils, they love what? They are in love with salt. Everyone is love with salt. নিমখ খাই সবে ভাল পায়। Thermoacidophils, they are present in hot springs. Then মই কি কৈছিলো? Eubacteria to next discuss কৰিম। Then next, coming on to the shape of bacteria. What are the four shapes? Spherical, which is also means cocci. Rod shaped, which is also means bacilli. Spirilla, which means spirillum. Coma shaped, which means vibrio. Example kita তোমালোকে মনত কৰিবা। Next time coming up with the topic Eubacteria. Small topic, I'll finish within minutes. ঠিক আছে? So for today, let's finish here.